Welcome back to Simply Filters. Miranda here with another quick air filter tip. You've probably seen MERV ratings on air filters and thought, higher must be better, right? Well, it's not that simple. Let's break it down. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. Basically, how well a filter traps particles. The higher the number, the better it is at catching dust, pollen, mold, and even bacteria. But here's the catch. MERV 1 through 4 barely filters anything, mostly for keeping big dust chunks out of your HVAC system. MERV 8 to 11, great for most homes, catches dust, pet dander, and pollen without restricting airflow too much. MERV 13 to 16 captures even smaller particles like bacteria and smoke, but can strain older or weaker HVAC systems. HEPA filters, MERV 17 plus, these trap nearly everything, but most home systems aren't built for them without modifications. Think of it like breathing through a mask. A basic cloth mask, low MERV, lets more air through, but doesn't block much. A high filtration mask, like an N95, similar to MERV 13 plus, blocks way more particles, but makes it harder to breathe. Your HVAC system feels the same way. So, should you get the highest MERV filter? If your system can handle it, a MERV 13 is a solid choice for better air quality. If your system struggles with airflow, a MERV 8 to 11 is a safer bet. If you want extra filtration, consider an air purifier instead of overloading your HVAC system. So, higher MERV isn't always better. It depends on your system. If you've made it this far in the video, give it a like to let me know you're still here. I'll catch you on the next one.